Oh, hey, just the person I wanted to see. Are you working on finding that packaging solution we talked about last week?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm working on it.
Well, make sure you find a company that understands the extensive details of the specifications, okay?
If you'll excuse me.
Do you have a project that requires you to stay in compliance with your packaging specifications?
I do.
We at Deufol Cincinnati are here to help. We have a vast number of capabilities that will help you get your packaging done precisely, with no problems and no questions asked. Our team has over 45 years of military and civilian packaging experience, making us the best option for your project. Even if you're not sure about all the specifications required for your project, our team will walk you through each and every step, making sure everything is understandable. We aim to make the process as simple as possible for you and your team. Our team is heavily experienced in box building as well. We adjust our process to meet your needs, visiting your facility and viewing your project before we design custom boxes. As always, fulfilling the specifications for your project is our utmost priority. We make sure that everything proceeds as expected, while making suggestions on what to improve to make the process go smoothly for you and your project. A hidden gem of our facility is our ability to generate export packaging. Our expert team will travel to your location to pack your product, saving you the time and hassle. We'll bring your custom boxes and pack your products on site. You can even check on the process at any point to make sure it's exactly how you want it. At Deufol Cincinnati, the ways that we can help you with your highly specified packaging project are limitless. Take the stress off your shoulders and let us handle the burden, because you know that our team will do it right. Get in touch with us today.